Coal producer Whitehaven has reported record thermal coal prices in the September quarter, thanks to a tight coal market and bad weather events. Joining me now is business reporter Edward Boyd. Ed, given the lack of supply, Whitehaven are expecting prices to remain pretty strong, for the next 12 months?
They've said for the next 12 months at least, so it could be longer than that. So the coal market is really tight at the moment. And when you have bad weather events, like all of the rainfall we've had on the east coast of Australia, it just tightens up coal supply even more and pushes prices up even higher. So Whitehaven Coal, some of the roads getting to their mines in New South Wales were blocked for about 2 weeks during the quarter, and that really helped push up the price of coal even further. So the average price of coal they received during the September quarter was 581 Australian dollars a tonne. That's up 13% on the prior quarter. Production was down about 40%, and that's due to road blockages basically preventing them from getting their coal out. Sales down as well, but look at the cash position. Whitehaven now sitting on almost $2 billion in cash. And today in their ASX release, they actually said a new strategy that they're looking to implement this year to help get their workers to coal mines that may be blocked off by floodwater. They're actually willing to helicopter them to work to these coal mines to make sure the mines can keep operating 24 hours a day if they're blocked off by floodwater. So they're putting up a big expense here with these helicopter trips, but it's obviously all worth it in their mind to keep producing coal.
OK, it sounds like it, Ed. The US market's rebounded overnight. How's the local market looking this morning?
Local market's up 0.3%. It had a tough start to the week on Monday where it plunged. It bounced back a bit yesterday and it's kept bouncing back this morning. Overnight in the US, there was some strong, it's profit season in the States, so there was some big companies reporting better than expected profits, the investment bank Goldman Sachs and Johnson & Johnson. But the big one was the huge defence company Lockheed Martin. That is really starting to profit from all of the global conflict that's happening at the moment. So apparently their F-35 fighter sales have been strong. That's really pushed up their revenue. I think it was about $17 billion US in revenue in just a 3-month period. So their shares skyrocketed about 9% overnight. That helped the US markets, and that's given the Australian market a bit of a boost this morning.